Guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys already know, the video of today is all about the Ulanzi overhead selfie stick. This is like they're kind of brand new. You remember this one which we reviewed last time? It's really amazing, this kind of tripod selfie stick, but it has tons and tons of functionality throughout here. This is an MT44, but today we are having something different. This is it's called the TT88. Now I saw this kind of tripod throughout their social media and it got me so much excited. And what makes me so much excited is the way it works. It's the way it's just working throughout your phone. It's just incredible. So we're gonna just do an unboxing, testing it, checking it out, see what's goody, and yeah, that's it. So enough of me talking, let's jump in throughout the video of today. So guys, we're gonna just do an unboxing throughout this kind of bad boy and see what's special throughout this kind of tripod, because I'm so pumped throughout this kind of selfie stick. I usually call it tripod so many times. I don't know why, not because I'm used to call it tripod, but let's see what's inside this kind of bad boy. So as you can see, we are just unboxing it right now, and yeah, nothing else on the box. So we're left with this kind of package over here, and let's check out what's in here. Okay, we're having the bad boy here, you can see, and you're having the paperwork in here, which you can just check it out and enjoy throughout using it. You're having the USB Type-C. So this kind of bad boy right now, you have to charge it throughout, I think, the Bluetooth remote. This is our bad boy. As you can see, really nice. I like it. The way they made it. Ulanzi never disappoints throughout the product. As you can see, this is the one which we have to charge. So it uses the USB Type-C over here, which the cable comes along. You just have to connect it here and try to charge it, which is really impressive. And through here, you just have to pair it throughout your phone, so as you can use it as your remote controller, which is so ideal. Jumping through the tripod. Now the tripod comes really in handy. I really like it. It has this kind of rotating kind of stuff, which you have just to keep your phone here. If your phone has a MagSafe, which it's really great, you can use it. But if your phone does not have a MagSafe, you can use this one. So the first time I saw this kind of tripod, I didn't see this kind of adjustment. I was doubting it. I talked a lot of stuff throughout there saying, oh, this does not support bunch of phone. It's like it has been made only for iPhones, but you can even rotate it here, which is really amazing. So you can just go back through MagSafe and you're good. Another kind of stuff, it's adjustable. You can see here it's adjustable and it's extendable, so you can extend it as much as you want, just like the MT44 somewhere there. And the goodness about this, when you're shooting, let's say you're shooting somewhere and you're gonna see it vividly. I'm gonna show you guys practically how you use it. So let's say you have extended the legs somewhere here. You have just to lock it. This is a plastic, by the way, compared to the ones from the MT. You see this one here, the lock from the MT44, it's a little bit more steady. I kind of like it compared to this one here. Actually, not bad, but okay, it is what it is. So I think there's something you have to kick it. This one here, you see this you have to, is it kicking it, or you just have to, okay, what am I doing here? Or just press it once, open. Okay, oh, you just have to open. Okay, these are the legs, I guess. Okay, nice. So this is like an adjustment for the legs, whereby if you want to shoot somewhere, you keep your tripod this steady and it just stays this way. You get my point, huh? So I'll show you guys practically how you're gonna be doing it. So as you can see, it's overall really great. And when you're done, you just this kind of bad boy, this here, you just return it here and you keep it back, and it's locked right now. Yeah, you're good. So when you actually don't need it, you just have to press it. Or if I'm not mistaken, this is like an adjustment for the lock. Oh yeah, this is a lock. Oh, it's a lock adjustment for this bad boy, so as it can stay steady. I never thought about that, but that's how that's how it is. That's how it works. So when you keep it this way, it stays somewhere there steady, and you're having your overhead shot. It's called the overhead shot. Because so many times you just want to shoot an overhead shot, you won't get it until you have something proper to shoot somewhere here. So guys, this is the tripod from Ulanzi. This is a TT88, like I was showing you on the demo how it works. It's a really brand new tripod from them. It's such an iconic, it's such an amazing kind of tripod, and I really like it. The most kind of great thing about this kind of tripod, because I decided just to come out here to chill out here at Cafe Coffee to check out this kind of brand new tripod. What's so goodie. By far, it's such an amazing, incredible tripod, as you can see, and you can just switch it back if you want a normal standard, like holding your phone and you just want to shoot like a gimbal. You see the way I'm doing? You can try shooting like gimbal. It's really amazing. You can just try twisting your phone this side too. It's really cool, and you use it throughout your gimbal shooting. It's really amazing to get some cinematic kind of shots, which is really good. Or you can twist it this way and flip it this way and start shooting on this side, because this side, whenever you're shooting, you're getting a perfect angle throughout your videos. The thing which is so great about it, which I didn't talk about it, it tilts. You see, you can tilt it 360. It goes for 360 capability, which is insane. We sometimes might be changing the angles, shooting this side, shooting this side. So it does not limit you depending on you what you really want to shoot. So yeah, by far it's really cool. I really like it, the way they kept it. In a mode, I'm gonna show you how to use it like an overhead shot. This is really incredible because you're gonna love it. So first thing first, you're gonna adjust, you're gonna open this kind of small leg of the tripod somewhere here down. So when you're done, you just attach it on your table and you just adjust your table. You see the way I'm adjusting, there's an adjustment somewhere here. So when you're done adjusting it or return it somewhere here, you're gonna extend your legs somewhere here. You see the way I'm doing, just extend this kind of tripod up to somewhere here. So you're having that kind of table kind of shot which goes all the way here, and you tilt your phone on this side. So this is how the top overhead shot through this kind of tripod. It's really amazing because the leg snaps on the surface of the table, which is incredible, and it does the thing, which is great. So guys, this is the Ulanzi TT88. As some of you guys already saw the features and how it works, it's such an incredible kind of tripod selfie stick from Ulanzi. I really appreciate throughout Ulanzi what they're really making. It's such an innovation stuff, because you can just do a lot of stuff throughout this kind of tripod. I understand it's a little bit smaller in size, as you can see, which is much better because just, you know what I mean, it's just flexible for you to use it throughout your day-to-day basis. This is something which is so amazing. And throughout here, is it worth it? Probably yes, it's worth it. Is it worth throughout your money buying it? Yes, of course, it's worth it throughout buying with your money, which is great, which I give it go 100%. But the Ulanzi MT44 is such an amazing, it's the one I'm shooting actually using my phone, the Pixel 8 Pro. It's such an incredible kind of tripod. By far, I've been using it for almost like 2 years in a row. Even some of my friends, whenever they find me with the selfie stick, the tripod, I usually call it selfie stick tripod, they take it and they tell me, man, I want this because it's really remarkable, it's really useful, you can use it through different circumstances. But overall, the TT88, it's really quite not bad. It's really great, it's on the go, and it's great for overhead shots too, really amazing. And yeah, so I'm wrapping up here. I'm at Sana Cave, and it's such an amazing kind of place out here, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys on the next tech video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Last but not least, catch you guys on the next one, and peace.